Don't always say I like it. जब आपने likings show करनी हो किसी चीज़ के लिए, जब आपको कुछ favor देनी हो किसी को, comment, compliment देना हो, and normally you say I like it. But here are some unique, beautiful phrases for that. It's to my thinking. It's to my thinking. It sounds great. It sounds great. I am really, really into it. It appeals to me. Really, it appeals me so much. It sounds good. It sounds good to me. I'm really very, very interested in it. I'm really very, very interested in it. I am fond of it. It looks cool. It looks cool. Really. I'm very interested in doing it. I am very interested in doing it. I adore it. I adore it. I loved it. Or I love this. I'm crazy about it. Really, I am crazy about it. I'm mad about it. I'm keen on it. I am so passionate about this. I am very passionate about this. I can't get enough of it. Really, I cannot get enough of it. I like it. I fancy this. I fancy for this. I'm addicted to this. It's really my thing. It's, my kind of stuff. I've grown to like this. I've grown to like this really. I just love it. Simple. I love doing this and I don't want to stop. I love doing this and I don't want to stop really. I didn't like it the first time, but now I do. I didn't like it the first time, but now I do. I like the idea of it. I like the idea of this thing. It goes down well with me. It goes down well with me. I've got a soft spot for this. I've got a soft corner for this. It looks fantastic. It looks fabulous, etc., etc. And there can be other phrases as well. See you next time.